It's been about 3 years since we've been here at this point. And again, let's do this shit. I cut it open this time, so I won't have to fumble again this damn thing. Oh, okay. Looks like I cut too much, but that's alright. Look at him! Oh, a doofy. Oh my gosh. Hold on. The thank you note. I saw. Oh, there's a message inside. Oh, like multiple things. Oh, cute. Look. He has his own business cards. I love it. This guy was done by Norman Pierceton Furs. Follow him on Instagram. He's got a Patreon. All the good shit. He's gay. Alright. And the thank you note. Oh my gosh. This art is so good. I love it. Oh. Gosh dang. He's too sweet. Gosh. Oh my goodness. Look at the snoot. Wait, what's in here? Oh, everything's underneath. Everything's underneath. Should we save this for last? Let's save that pooper for last. Let's go for the Pete's. Oh my gosh. These were his first soft paws. And I'm sure they are fantastic. They look fantastic. Oh my goodness. Oh. They're big and squishy on the underside. Oh my god. Oh, I love them. Oh, they're snuggleable. Cute. And they're ginormous, which is great. It's good for stomping faces into the dirt. It's all good. Let's get this guy out too. There we go. Nice. I've always wanted indoor feet, at least at some point. So I'm super happy to have some now. Holy crap. And then I guess the, oh, there they are. I was going to say those sandals should be in here somewhere too. They are massive. These are bigger than my head. But this is a-okay. These look great. Oh my gosh. Sturdy sandals. Perfect. I'm probably going to take the elevator this year at FM so that I don't get elevator grease on his toes unless I can fashion something to go over the toes. I was thinking maybe putting up like a t-shirt or something, old t-shirt. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'm very determined to not get these dirty because that elevator grease really, really sucks. Oh my gosh. This one I'm really excited for. It's the tail. It's got the cutest little poof ball on that. There we go. Oh, that's strong. Oh my god. People, for whatever reason, were kind of, he made a post saying that he had, like, put a magnet into his spine. He had surgery for this. And that's how he was popping the tail off and on. And people were, I don't know if people are just gullible or what, but they were like, wait, no, you're serious? I don't know. That's really strong. Alright, he warned me not to get my fingers caught in there, so I'm not going to play around with that too much right now. But that's awesome. I love it. The bappers. Oh. My last pause, because she was, no, Nov's an opossum, so she doesn't really have paw pads, but, oh. Look at those! Look at them! Squishy beans! And it's the claws. I love the claws. Holy shit. Oh good, I put it on the right hand too. His right paw, the fur goes the opposite direction, so it's all poofed up. And then the left one, just in here, yep. This one lays down like normal because he only needs one hand to beat your ass. I'm sorry, that's the idea behind it at least. Oh, I love them. I didn't put my fingers in right, but that's okay. These are so cool. Oh my gosh. Oh, and the Slim Jims. They look like beef sticks. Perfect. Super nice too. They're lined on the inside, which is really, really cool. I have another set of arm sleeves, but they don't have any lining on the inside. Not a big deal. I wear Under Armour. I am right now, just in case. But that's fancy. Oh my gosh, I love it. least, the boy. Oh, he has no eyeballs. But that's okay, we can fix that. Oh. There they are. They were hidden in his gob the whole time. He's got a posable tongue. Lay that down. Open this up. Oh. Oh, okay, never mind. This guy. No. I've been stumped by the Ziploc. That's fine. Oh, we have the angry eyes. There they are. His band-aid. And his eyebrows. I can really feel the magnet in that. It's got a little heft to it. His normal eyes. They have a nice follow me effect. I didn't expect him to patch them all up like that, really. That's cool. Oh, his UA medal. I swear to God, he's not Bakugo. I swear. It's a running joke, and I thought it was really fun, and this year's theme is the championship, so I was like, alright, let's do that. Why not? Oh, here's his crown. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's adorable! Look at that! It has a really neat little structure and a magnet. And from a distance, it gives off a really nice floaty effect. Like these little bars, they tend to disappear. It's super cool and I love it. Oh, eyelids, of course. Can't forget the eyelids for the boy. Let's take them out. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's big. Needs a good brushing out, but he is looking pretty dang good. He's got a big old mouth. He's got a moving jaw too, that'll be fun to play around with. Ears, hair. He's got a hairdo. And little nubby horns. And that is the boy for this year. Oh my gosh. I freaking love him. Oh my gosh. I need to suit up.